Hello, friends! Today we will draw the snail and the caterpillar. Let's start drawing the snail's body. I will draw the snail's shell. Let's draw the caterpillar. I will draw the caterpillar's head and the caterpillar's body. I will color the snail's body with yellow. Let's paint the snail's shell with orange. I will use the green color. I will color the last part of the shell with red. I will color the caterpillar body with dark green. I will color the caterpillar's head with light green. Good job, friends! You could draw and color the caterpillar and the snail with me. Don't forget to subscribe for more.